We need to assemble. Excavator. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Excavator. Pump. Done. Let's dig a hole for the fountain. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Don't stop. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Hooray! We need to assemble. Cement mixer. We did it! Filling. Cement mixer. Pump. Amazing! Let's get the embedded hoses for the nozzles ready. We need to wash. Cement mixer. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Drag the vehicle. Ready. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Keep it up. Let's place the waterproofing and tiles on the bottom. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. You're doing really great. We have to assemble minivan. Keep it up. First, we have to fill it. Minivan. Pump. Done. Let's install the water delivery pump. Let's wash. Minivan. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Ready. First, we need to assemble. Lift crane. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Lift crane. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's install the upper and lower levels. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! We did it! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep it up. First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Done. Let's place the tiles and decorations. Let's wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Water truck. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Water truck. Press the pump. Ready. Let's fill it with water and turn the fountain on. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Amazing! We have to assemble pickup truck. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Pickup truck. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's place the ice cream stand. The fountain construction is complete. You've got a great place to relax. Hooray!